An independent and master-planned oasis in Cainta, Rizal? Count us in. Welcome back to Property TV, folks. My name is Tin, and for today, we're checking out this RLC Residences condo made for community life. But before anything else, make sure to like this video and share with your friends and family. And of course, like our Facebook page so that you stay updated whenever we release new property features and videos. Designed for a lock-and-go lifestyle, Sierra Valley Gardens can provide you with a modern 4-tower condo right in the heart of Cainta, Rizal. Here, you'll never feel out of place. Cosmopolitan living, convenience, and the sense of community are front and center for this property. Choose a 32 square meter 1-bedroom unit here for as low as 9,987 pesos. Unit prices start at only 3.8 million pesos too. A fair trade, right? At Sierra Valley Gardens, you're only about a 40-minute drive away from the Ortigas Central Business District. And that means you get to enjoy the best of what urban and suburban living has to offer. Schools like Ateneo de Manila University and the University of the Philippines, Diliman, are easily accessible through C5 and Ortigas Avenue. Meanwhile, commercial districts and all the top shopping malls are only less than 9 kilometers away from the premises. Moving on to the amenities, you get your own drop-off area and lobby lounge. Interestingly, you also have a pre-function room to your function room. I mean, hey, you can't have enough space for all those precious moments, right? Of course, every once in a while, we all just need an outlet for recreation, right? So that's why here at Sierra Valley Gardens, you can just head on over to the lap pool and the kiddie pool if you want to beat the heat. Taking it one step further with your fitness regimen, how about making use of the gym and the jog trail? It's never bad to start your day with a quick workout. If you're looking to kill time, you can also check out the game room, the indoor and outdoor play areas, and of course, your multi-purpose court. So imagine spending your weekends here with your kids or maybe even your friends. For as low as 9,987 pesos a month, you get to live in this independent community by RLC Residences. And of course, if you buy your unit through Ohmyhome, you also get 15,000 pesos back from your down payment. Sounds cool, right? So if you want to get started on looking at your new property in Sierra Valley Gardens, go ahead and book a free property consultation with one of our super agents so that you can start looking at your new home. And there you have it, folks, your exclusive look at Sierra Valley Gardens by RLC Residences. Make sure to like our Facebook page so that you stay tuned whenever we release new property videos and property features. I'll see you guys next time. My name is Tin, and this is Property TV.